In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget in QuickBooks. We'll start right inside QuickBooks. Look to the left sidebar and click Reports. From there, open the Financial Planning section and you'll see budgets listed. Go ahead and click that. On the Budgets page, choose Create Budget. This is where you set the foundation for your plan. You'll first pick your budget type. This tells QuickBooks what kind of numbers you're planning for, so choose the option that matches the area you want to manage. Next, select the period you're budgeting for. Set the fiscal year or time frame that fits your needs. Then choose the budget format. This controls how your budget grid will be laid out, which helps you organize the numbers in a way that matches how you track your business. When you're ready, click Next to continue. You'll land on the budget sheet. If you already have actual financial data or past budgets in QuickBooks, you'll see that information displayed in the first column. This gives you a helpful reference while you plan. If you want to change what you're comparing against, use the drop-down above the sheet and select the data you'd like to refer to. Picking a relevant reference year or data set can make your targets more realistic and easier to defend. If you'd like to copy that reference data directly into your budget to speed things up, select the checkboxes for the rows you want to copy, click Batch Actions, and choose Copy Reference Data. This is a great way to start with a baseline and then fine-tune the numbers where needed, rather than building everything from scratch. At the top right, you can switch how you fill out the budget for the entire year, quarterly or monthly. Choose the view that matches how you like to plan. Annual is great for high-level goals, quarterly helps with seasonal changes, and monthly gives you the most control when cash flow varies throughout the year. The grid will adjust automatically based on what you select. To enter amounts, simply click the cell you want to edit and type the number. Move through the sheet at your own pace, and remember to keep your assumptions consistent with the period you selected. Once you've filled in your numbers and reviewed them, click Save at the bottom right. Saving regularly ensures your work is captured as you go. That's it. Your budget is set up in QuickBooks with clear references, the right time scale, and your numbers in place.